wanted to speak about the health and safety plan. With the COVID pandemic being over, as declared by President Biden on September 18, 2022, it is time to alter the district's health and safety plan. In an interview with 60 Minutes, Biden announced an end to the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic is over, the president said. We're still doing a lot of work on it, but the pandemic is over. If you notice, no one's wearing masks, everybody seems to be in pretty good shape, and so I think it's changing. The health and safety plan needs to be changed. The district's policy on communicable disease that was in place before 2020 should be followed. The health and safety plan should only refer to this communicable disease policy. Our children have already lost so much due to this health and safety plan. School closures, virtual learning, hybrid learning, mandatory masking, and quarantines. Please note, I said our children were harmed by the health and safety plan, not actually harmed by COVID. On March 4th, 2022, the CDC revised its calculations and stated that children accounted for 0.07%, or roughly 7 out of 10,000 COVID deaths. The CDC also reports that up to 50% of all COVID cases in children are asymptomatic. COVID presents little to no risk to children, yet they suffered the most during the pandemic due to adults' bad decisions. As parents, we cannot permit this to happen again. We will not be forced to mask our kids or keep them home for school closures and unnecessary quarantines. We will not participate in even more education laws and actions that are detrimental to our children's education and healthy development. We expect and require you to do your job and provide an appropriate education to our children. On this note, as parents, we have the right to question what our children are learning in school, and as taxpayers, we have the right to question how our money is being used by the district. With about $500,000 being spent on SEL curriculum through Tom Stetcher Associates, why are those materials not made available to parents? A right to know was submitted for this information, but denied by the district, stating copyright issues. With parents and taxpayers providing the funds, it seems odd that we would be denied the right to view the material that we actually purchased. These are our children, and we as parents should know what they are learning and have a say in what they are taught. Thank you.